Here, baby. Where's your mama?
Lashes.
Come here. You're such a handsome boy.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Take care of you.
You're doing so well, little one. There we go. All comfy? You're so sweet.
You like that, huh?
You're gentle. You're getting strong, little guy.
Snug as a bug in there. There you go.
Come on, buddy.
Ready for your ride?
Looks like he's enjoying it. Come on. Oh, wow. There you are. Gotcha, little one. You're safe. Go. Nice and warm, huh? Slow sips. Good bird. Hey, little ones. I love you guys. You like that, huh? Good birds. Good job. One at a time, guys.
You like the movie? Huh?
All right, everybody hold on. We're going up. Banana time. There you go, gentle. Good. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at him go. Bye. Good one. Go on, Zane. Hey, buddy, what you got? Easy drop. Good boy. She's so tiny. Yeah. Warming up.
Yeah, she's.
Oh my gosh, look at her. She looks like she's working.
She does. Little professor.
You like that, huh? Good girl.
You're okay, little one. Oh my gosh, look at how tiny you are. They're squeaking. I know. Mama's doing such a good job. Everybody's full asleep.
Stand it up.
Careful. You're okay, little one. You're okay. Hold still. Safe now. Got you.
Let's tuck this one in.
Actually, it'll keep him safe tomorrow. He just wants to swim.
Hi, buddy.
They're so soft. Hey, good little dude. Tiniest bottle in the world. Hey, buddy, you checking me out?
He likes your beard.
You're so tickly.
Easy there, little one. There you go. Oh, you guys are fast. Whoa. Hey. Not the beard.
Listen to those little feet. You're so soft. Mwah. I love you.
Oh my gosh.
That's a bat, right?
Yeah.
He's so tiny.
Hey, little one. You're okay.
Got you.
Want a little milk? There you go. Good girl.
She's holding on so tight.
Yeah, she's trusting us.
He's so comfy up there.
Oh, nice. Let's get that cleaned. Good job, buddy.
Hey, Callie, be gentle.
Those wings now. Amazing, isn't it?
All grown up, sweet boy. Let's get you nice and dry.
There you go, buddy. Good job. So sleepy. Does that feel nice? Banana monster, you are so relaxed. You just say hi.
My handsome.
He just wants to show off those wings.
Hey there, buddy. You're cozy, huh?
What is this?
The leg is broken high up, but he's young. Fix this.
Come here, baby. Where's your mama?
Oh, buddy.
Where are you going, buddy?
Ooh, little buddy. You're gonna. Happy boy.
Whoa, hey, back!
Hey, buddy.
Stay. Good boy.
Careful, careful. Hold still, buddy.
All right, it's okay. It's okay.
Mouth looks good, just a small cut.
Body's clear, no breaks. She's breathing steady.